Welcome to our newest listing in Swan Lake, 45 Louisbourg Way. 45 Louisbourg Way is a 1,755 square foot end unit home, so it's filled with natural light. It has a double car garage and driveway, and it's located in the only section in Swan Lake where you get a private, fully fenced yard. It's also the only model with a double car garage that has an elevator, so it's a great bungalow alternative. The second floor features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and convenient laundry. Hop down in the elevator to the fully finished basement with a large rec room with games area, storage, and 3rd full washroom. Located close to lots of visitor parking and all the Swan Lake amenities.